Ebo uzongizalela sikhule sesibongo sakho my baby. Hey, we just watched season 9 episode 5 review. And not review but the episode, and yeah, let's get into it. And today, and maybe I don't say this, I cannot be having more than 5,000 views on Uthando Nesthembu reviews, and you all watching more than 50% of the video without liking. Kumayelana nani? Ayini guys, do the right thing, like this video if you like the review. But anyway, let's start tonight. You know, if there's one thing that you can ever do to your loved ones, is to agree to do a reality TV. Once you agree to do a reality TV, not once, not twice, like, you know, maybe 1 or 2 seasons, we just get to know you. And you know, because there are things that happens and you are like, you just oversee because you love the people, you know. But now when you get to like Ninzale, you know, we are now 9 years nabantu bakamselego, and now when the episode starts today, it starts by showing Umselego. I think all of us will still remember when Umpilo was turning 21 and Umselego said, ngithi no matter what happens between mina noMakhumalo, uboma ngohlangothi kaMakhumalo. You must stand by Makhumalo, not by me, you know. And little did he know that 8 years, 9 years later, vele Umpilo will stand by Makhumalo. You know, because one thing that we've seen about uChristopher, I don't know igama kaChristopher livelaphi. Yes, uyabafuna abantwana, but akanaso isikhathi enough sabantwana. Like last week, we were all shocked. I was not alone to find out that agamazi unini. Like, how you don't even know your help, a helper, someone looking after your last born. So anyway, let's not focus on that. So the episode starts by them showing us that, you know what, this is what Umselego did, and now we see Umselego no Mapricado, Maprix, yes. So basemzumbe, like, you know, sometimes we normally say, hi, Uthando Nesthembu is scripted, hi, but you can tell emzumbe ungathi it's a ghost. You is a horror movies whereby is like, there's something that's just gonna fall off the roof, you know. That's what is happening Mzumbe pelile umzi, you know. And I remember up ngihlala khona because it's an estate, so at some point, not that at some point, it's rules that they cannot be a vacant house for more than 6 months. There need to be someone in your house even if you're not there. And I realized, but indlu kangenamntu iyawa. No. Iyawa. Uthi uyatsho ke Umseleki uhamba namabrigado pha uba uyabona ngoku what's happening is that the house iyawa, amadonga ayawa, you know, everything, because there's no one there. Yabo ohleli emzumbe. And always kaloku mele bafake uSnay in the picture, because why? Tell me why out of all the houses. Oh, but Mabrigado, that is her house that I share no Snay, but Usnay apparently she stays Sipak. And I would also be afraid to stay there. And I think also, again, whether we like it or not, we've had a lot, and no one ever came and said, hi guys, no one zange kufela umuntu egeyithini, hayi, it was all allegations. No one, you know. So maybe that's some of the things ezenza uSnay athi no andinohlala ndodwa apha. So, hey, Mabrigado is happy. Yo. You know, if they are saying there are seasons in Sithembu, it's Mabrigado's season this time, because she is definitely so happy, Mabrigado, because, wow, bayathandana. Oh, bayathandana nomuntu wakhe, baprashana inwele. And guess what, Christopher? Oh, there's a lot, guys, and there's a lot. Because guess what? Why now Umselego is asking uMabrigado that ngicela ulwandle aze emzumbe because umzumbe uyafa. And he's even saying Kodwa sometimes Christopher, when he gets to diary room, ungathi bamthi ka lanto itshisa umqala. And then aqale athethe, because it's like, yeah, not umseleko, umpumelelo decided to move eThekwini. Hey, umpumelelo uva ngomamakhe, so we are not in good terms, of which I think we have seen. They used to have videos and what have you dancing on the internet together, of which we no longer see those. So yeah, but uMabrigado, hey, akaphika snakes. Hayi inkulu into ebayithembisa uMabrigado jonga. Umacele, there's something. I remember one time when she said, I don't know where they were going on the dinner whereby they were going to introduce number 5, and she said, yo, I need a big car. So it's either she's looking for a big car, or landlu yakhe sastand sakhe wayesifuna ufuna kokhiwe, but there is something, there's a catch. No, she can't be agreeing kwinto yonke without a dispute. So that's what she says, like, oh, okay, hayi ulwandle ke ngoku, so ulwandle must come and vusa umzumbe. We don't know, but anyway, we move. We see, guys, have you ever thought you'll see uMaNgwabe no Mseleku bevumelana? Hey bo, bayathandana. Bayavumelana in such a way that uMaNgwabe even agreed with that she's gonna go and ayokhuluma noMakhumalo, because khona isandla semfene. I don't know, you know, but anyway, I don't want to get into that, but hey, uMaNgwabe sometimes, yeah, she's beautiful and she's a mess, but hey, yeah, superstitions, like, I don't know, like, yeah, that's why, but you can take, I don't know, let me not go there. And because no, I think I'll have part 2 because time is running out. I can't be rushing like this. Now I forgot that Umselegu also told uMabrigado that uMakhumalo, of which I think that was wrong. That was literally wrong. We love uMakhumalo. We stand with uMakhumalo. But you cannot not. And one thing that we realized, no, she was telling uMaNgwabe, one thing that we cannot, and then now that we get to find out, is that they listen to these reviews. They read the newspapers. Like, guys, hi. So now, apparently someone had said that one of them, Seleku's wife, was pregnant and was not pregnant, impregnated by him. And now Lento Makhumalo wanted what? DNA. And Makhumalo is not umamkhulu. So if you befuna umamkhulu, how do you say that to your other wife, about your other wife? Huh? Hi guys, it's Tembu sifuna bomeleleyo. Hey, but I don't know. But anyway, as collapse, so we move. When we move, oh, Sibonu Mayeni, no, Tirelo, they went on a date, lunch. You can really tell, you know, like you can see a forceful relationship, but you can see their relationship is very mutual. They are talking and Mayeni loves her grandchildren, because she's even saying, I gumnandu kuhlala no singa but to singer I guess right, but yabanoguz are not like is a concerning thing. And then we see what do we see? I wrote the Makhumalo. Okay, so yeah, I think for tonight, let us put it here. I don't know what I forgot because I'm trying not to get to part 2. Yeah, I've got where I'm supposed to be. But anyway, yeah, we're looking forward to episode 6 of tomorrow. And please, please on this video. Yeah, otherwise, endishileyo guys. So thetha ngayo ngomso. Niyathandwa ndim. Nilale kamnandi. Oh, yeah, nilale kamnandi because it is the night. Peace out. I feel like I've left out a lot, but if you have something else to add on the comment section. And please, masibonaneni ngomso. Niyathandwa ndim. Hayi. ngizama uphusha le 10 minutes ngoku because I don't want to start a new thing and the next thing ixesha lingibethile. But one thing that you can ever do to your family is to agree for many seasons of a reality TV. It's a no.